Welcome to Python for Data Structures, Algorithms, and Interviews. I'm Jose Portilla, and I've taught thousands of students on Udemy about Python programming and data science. And now, I've created a course to help students with the interview process. This course will help you ace the type of coding interviews done at the top technology companies. So, what do you get with this course? This is a 3-in-1 course. It includes lectures on data structures and algorithms to cover computer science theory, plus coding questions asked in real interviews and answers to them, as well as non-technical interview preparation, such as resume reviews and doing well in in-person interviews. This course is packed with tons of content. You'll get lifetime access to over 200 lectures, where every lecture consists of a video with clear explanation of a topic, along with a notebook of written code and explanations for reference, so you can learn in whatever way works best for you. We cover everything you need to know to ace your coding interview. Overall, the course consists of non-technical interview preparation, reviews of all major data structures and algorithms, practice interview problems, and mock tech company interviews. So, who is this course for? This course is designed for a variety of audiences, including self-taught programmers who already know Python and want to learn about data structures and algorithms and begin interviewing for tech positions, as well as students currently studying computer science and want supplementary material on data structures and algorithms and interview preparation for after graduation, as well as professional programmers who need practice for upcoming coding interviews. And finally, anyone interested in learning more about data structures and algorithms or the technical interview process. With this course, you don't just get high-quality videos and lecture materials. You also get a program designed to effectively teach you what you need to know efficiently as possible. It's like having private tutors design an interview study curriculum just for you. You'll also get to join our community of students who are quick to help with their feedback and share their thoughts, as well as access to the discussion forums where I'm always around to personally help you. This course comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you're unsatisfied in any way, you get your money back, no questions asked. Plus, you can keep all the lecture notes as a thank you for trying out the course. This course will help you achieve your career goals in software and technology. A career in this field is rewarding because of the interesting problems you solve, the financial benefits, and the freedom it offers. Check out the next preview lecture for a full overview of the extensive curriculum of this course. Alright, so what are you waiting for? Start the next chapter in your career and enroll today.